Hey everyone, I'm Dani Smith and I'm an art instructor at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art.
Today I will be showing you how to create your very own watercolor art inspired by Airborne by Morris Lewis. The items you will need to make this project are in your My Museum kit.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
The materials you will need for this project are paper towels or something to cover your workspace to keep it clean, watercolor paper, a cup of water, a watercolor tray or palette, a paintbrush, and last but not least, a straw. To begin this project, place a few paper towels down onto your workspace and grab your watercolor paper. Dip your clean paintbrush into your water. Get the brush really wet. Choose one color on your watercolor palette or tray and mix the wet paintbrush with that color. Make sure to get that color extremely wet. Drip the liquidy color onto your watercolor paper, creating small dots or puddles of water. Add more water to the colors if needed. Repeat the process with other colors if you'd like. Make sure to rinse your brush in between colors so they don't mix. Slowly pick up your paper and move the colors around. Watch the colors race against each other or drag along your paper using gravity. They may even blend together, creating new colors. Make sure to keep your space clean and the colors only on your watercolor paper and your paper towels. Put the paper down and grab your straw. Try blowing the paint around using your breath from the straw. Be careful not to blow your materials around, just like I did. Feel free to add some more colors if you feel your paper looks empty. Take a moment to admire your work when you're done.
When you're done, make sure to clean up your mess and put away all of your unused supplies. Thanks for making art with us today, and we'll see you next time.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!